Okay, hopefully you spent that 20 minutes during your independent writing time and figured out what your thesis is and two reasons to go with that thesis. So I want you to write your thesis and your reasons, post to the discussion. Then you need to find your writing partner's post and comment on their thesis. That'll be a part of our collaboration today. If you look at step 2, it says find your writing partner's post and respond with a reply. Use the prompts to help you that are listed below. I think that thesis you have about your character is, or your thesis and reasons are, what I really like about your thesis is, or your reasons support your thesis well because. So use one of those 4 prompts to help you get started with a reply to your writing partner. So great work today. And once your discussion is completed, you are done. Awesome work.